Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Ganiza brand, their model V30 Cordless brand vacuum lightweight rechargeable stick vacuum cleaner. Has a really great suction power of 30 kPa, has an LED headlight, detachable battery, 45 minutes runtime, 350 watt brushless motor, which is unique. Has a magnetic HEPA filter, which I've never seen before, an anti-static button, and powerful suction. This is the box it comes in. Really nice, sturdy box with beautiful graphics on there and a handle on top. We're going to open this up and see what's inside. So here's everything out of the package. And the first thing I noticed is everything is really high quality. The finish, the fit, I'm really impressed already. Here's the instruction booklet, charger, huge battery, accessory pack so you can mount the holder against the wall, cleaning brush, the unit itself, the separate attachment with this really soft brush on there, the extension wand, and the separate piece right here. Each one of these things has a lock and an unlock position. To unlock, you do that, because once you put it back, it stays in place. So you twist it counterclockwise. They're all the same on all of these. And here is the main vacuuming unit itself. Really large. This is the largest one I've ever bought in terms of the size of it. Look at these oversized rubber wheels on here in this joint. This feels really high quality. And you can see the brush right there, the anti-static brush. The brush is shaped a certain way, kind of like a V, to prevent buildup. Here's some steering wheels on here, and the ability to remove the brush for cleaning, which is really nice. You just line that back up, put that back in, and click it into place. So that's an easy way to clean out any of the debris in there. So what's unique about this is not only the high quality, but the fact that inside here is brushless motors in here and also in there. And I'm going to show you why that's important now. This is an old-fashioned can motor. This is used in a lot of drills, garden tools, weed whackers, string trimmers, and this is a brushed motor. This is old technology. I'm going to show you a close-up of what happens here. When I put power to this, there is some sparking that goes on there. There's some energy loss, and those contacts wear out. So I'm going to try and show you a close-up. This is what happens on a brushed motor. I'm going to turn the motor on. When you look inside there, you could see the sparking going on, and that's just going to get worse over time, and there's where all the losses is with a brushed motor. Now, brushless motors I've been using for 20 years, and I'm going to show you my electric car, my Kona, totally brushless motor inside there. All the electric cars use brushless motors. And here is one that's used on one of my model airplanes. There is no contacts to worry about right here. There's no sparking. There's no energy loss. So that's the beauty of a brushless motor. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take the included 120 volt charger, and it has a barrel connector on there. And on the battery you could see it has the barrel connector receptacle right there. We're going to plug that right in. And you see right there, it's blinking, it's breathing. So when it's fully charged, that will stop blinking and it'll be a solid white. Now included is this wall plate, and you see there's two screws right there and wall anchors right there. And the unit could rest on there, and you could put the attachments, as an example, you put the attachments on top right here, holding them in place on your wall. So while that battery is charging, let's go over some of the specifications of this. This is a 6-in-1 cordless vacuum cleaner, and that 30 kPa is really powerful. That's the suction that this is going to produce. It has 3 suction modes, and the suction speeds will allow you to meet your various cleaning needs. So you have like a low, medium, and high. And that's really important because sometimes the suction is so great that it's more than you need. For instance, if you do with curtains, you want to have so much suction, you want to have a certain amount. So this will work on hardwood floor, carpet floor, sofas. We're going to show it being used in my car to work on my curtains, my floor, and I'll give you a couple other applications that you might not have thought of for something like this. So internally in here is a 2500 milliamp hour large capacity rechargeable battery pack, and it's really detachable and convenient as I'm showing right here, and you can see it's charging. You see the blinking LED. So the runtime is in the 3 suction modes. Eco mode, it's 12 kPa. It'll go for about 45 minutes run time. Standard mode, which is 20 kPa, it'll go for 22 minutes. In max mode, which is the maximum suction, it'll go for about 10 minutes. And that's why it's important that it has that choice. That choice will be on this display right here. We'll have a low, medium, and high right here. There's also some warning indicators on there letting you know if you have a suction block or if something's over here. We're going to demonstrate that. Has an LED display on the front, which is really cool. I love that. And that lights up your path, so you can really vacuum in total darkness. We're gonna show you that because you're gonna see how it lights up the floor. And inside here, there's a 5-stage high-efficient filter system. It's a cyclone system. It helps clean 99.9% of microscopic dust, and it's the smallest 0.3 microns. Also has unique magnetic HEPA filter I've never seen before. We're going to look at that. And a stainless steel filter that you can easily clean. Whenever you clean them, you take them apart and you let them thoroughly dry. As I mentioned, this has a V-shaped brush, which is harder to manufacture, but it is unique because it allows it to reduce the brush clogging. And of course it allows swiveling 180 degrees and 90 degrees up and down. Enables you to clean any surface effectively. Just to give you more of a close-up of the connection, here is the long extension rod on here, and you can see it has that lock and unlock. That goes on the top, it lines up, and it clicks right in place perfectly, and it stays perfectly in place. If you want to remove it, then you twist this to the unlock position and then pull it out just like that. Very simple and effective. It's been about 2.5 hours, and now you can see it's a solid white, so the battery is fully charged, ready to use. Now let's go over the operation. Now that the battery is charged, this slides right on and locks in place. You push this button, there's one on each side, and that's what allows you to remove the battery. Very nice. Now looking at the front here, there is a display, and when I hit the trigger button right here, it comes on. That's low, medium, and high. Hit it again, and it shuts off. Now there is monitors over here that'll come on if there is something blocking the airflow or it overheats. There's a sensor on over there, and the manual does show right there the fault indications. If the floor brush is clogged, that will come on, and that'll come on if it's overheating or something is blocking the nozzle for a long time. When you're running the unit, that display also tells you the status of the batteries. So it'll drop down in bars when it's time to charge. Let's take a look at the decibels for this. I'm going to put it about a foot away. And I'm seeing about 76, 77 dB. Let's go to the higher speed. 81. And about the same, 82, 83. That's not bad considering I'm a foot away from it. So that shows that this is pretty quiet and efficient. To release any dirt and debris, you just push this button right here and it pops out. And this is a really nice oversized canister. It looks like it holds a lot of liters of dirt and debris. You can see there's rubberized seals on here because it's a total sealed cyclonic system. If you want to release this canister for cleaning, there is a red button right there. Push that button and it allows this to come out if you want to rinse the whole thing out. And then it allows access to the filter system right here. And we can turn that counterclockwise and see the whole filter system right here. There's another set on the top we're going to look at, but this could be rinsed and cleaned and dried and reused. It's all stainless steel. On the top of the unit, you could turn this counterclockwise and lift it, and inside here there is a silicone seal you can see right there, and then on the bottom right here is another filter, and this is totally washable and could be cleaned. And there's a magnet that holds that in right there, which is nice. So this is part of the HEPA filter system that you could clean and dry. Make sure it's fully dry before you put it back together. So that little magnet on there allows this to be held so that you can put it back in place, and it'll keep it in place and to turn it clockwise just like that. And then this piece, once it's dry, it goes in here and you rotate it clockwise and it locks in place. Then you have the cover itself that goes in there. Putting this cover back on, there's a certain way you have to do it. You have to put this front edge on first, then there's some magnets inside here like that, then you hear a clicking sound and it's realigning that lock button that I showed earlier. Let's take a look at the attachments. So this is really nice because it allows you to open and close the brush. If you don't want the brush and you want to go directly against whatever you're vacuuming, or you push the button and it gives the soft bristles. Really nice. You can just feel the vacuum pressure right there going in. And then there's this attachment, which is really nice for doing crevices and couches and things. I noticed there's some portholes right there if you look, and that's that if this is totally blocked, they'll still be able to breathe, but that will not affect the incoming air pressure because that's using something called Bernoulli's principle. Now let's show you the main attachment, and you'll notice that this attachment has electrical connections right there because it has the separate brushless motor. So we're going to put that on right there. Then we're going to turn the unit on. And you see that now it's spinning. And you can see the really cool headlight on there also. And of course you have your extension rod in there with this beautiful red anodized aluminum look to it that allows you to extend the reach of the vacuum cleaner. As you can see, it really steers really easily. All you have to do is twist a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, and the angle adjustment is really smooth on there. And you see, because of that angle adjustment, you can go under furniture really easily. And this attachment is excellent for cleaning out crumbs in your kitchen drawers. Or for cleaning crevices on your couch. And this attachment is excellent for doing curtains because it has the really soft bristles on there. It's also great for cobwebs on your fireplace. And it's excellent for dust that is on your molding. So look at all that debris that it caught. And I had vacuumed my floor with another vacuum cleaner before this. So here's a cyclonic action that goes on. You see how it rotates the debris inside there and collects it. Part of the reason why it has so much power. So after testing, what do I think about the Ganiza brand or model V30 cordless lightweight rechargeable stick vacuum cleaner with that powerful 30 kPa suction? This is a great product. As I demonstrated, Very high quality components on everything. I was really impressed. Just everything fit perfectly and you feel like it's a fine-tuned product. Well worth the price they're charging. It's really a good product. I'm going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. If you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be ordering links in the information and comments section. Please order using those links to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.